Our Monday morning is off to a quiet start. We're even starting to see some sunshine, a refreshing sight after what was a very hectic and active weekend. Luckily, though, we are off to that quiet start. Some also seeing a little bit of haze. This is a live look out of your 13 WRX camera. We're going to continue to see a little bit of that fog down to 3 miles for visibility in Rockford, 7 in Freeport, and even Rochelle. So might want to give yourself just a little extra time this morning as we continue to see the clouds moving out and a little bit of that fog still with us. Luckily, though, that sun is only going to continue to take over, so a nice clearing as that sun moves in. We will stay dry for most of the day, but we aren't out of the woods just yet. We're actually going to see another round of showers and potentially stronger thunderstorms late this evening. A 3 out of 5 for the entire area here in northern Illinois, for the biggest concern being damaging wind gusts, followed by hail, heavy rain once again, and even a chance for a few spin-up tornadoes. Here's what Future Track brings us. Timing wise, a lot of this moves in after 5 o'clock. By 6, we're already starting to see those showers and thunderstorms mainly into the northwestern corner of northern Illinois, and it continues to move in once we get closer to about 6:30. And you'll notice there's even a bit of a bowing feature that starts to develop, and that is indicative of very strong winds, especially on that leading edge. So these thunderstorms look to pack a punch later this evening. This is about 7 o'clock. Notice that's when it arrives closer to I-39. And of course, you can't ignore those bright colors. That gives us a better idea of just how heavy some of that rainfall may be, and even a chance for damaging hail. This continues to move through further to the east. Notice this is about 7:30, still seeing a lot of that heavy rain. And then by about 9 o'clock, those further to the northwest start to clear out. Everything will move out overnight as we then dry off. But when it comes to that rainfall, some of our area may see around 2 inches of rain, if not more than that. Others closer to half an inch. Really depends on where the heaviest rain falls, but it does look to remain further to the west of I-39. So make sure you keep that in mind, stay weather aware, and prepare for another potential of some localized flash flooding. Before that, though, we still have to deal with the heat. A heat advisory will go into effect for most of the area at 8 o'clock this morning. Your heat index values will climb into the triple digits by the time we head into the afternoon. Heat illness can happen very quickly. Make sure you stay cool and hydrated for our Monday. Luckily, though, the thunderstorms expected later today will actually bring us some relief and, of course, plenty of sunshine. In terms of your dew points, they drop into the mid-50s. That's about a 20-degree drop from where they will be at today. So talk about comfortable. In fact, your temperatures will also fall into the upper 70s by the time we get into Thursday as well. Plenty of sunshine expected after tonight's thunderstorms, and we do continue to see that relief. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, dew points might climb just a bit once we get into the weekend as we also reach back into those low 80s, but we are still sunny with some gorgeous weather through the entire weekend. Manny.